Alright, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video we're going to be looking into the best TikTok product research tool and how you can actually use it. So I've made a full video about this particular platform, which is Data, how to use it, a full video tutorial within like 40 minutes thereabout. So I explain and walk you through each of this category that Data have on the platform. But then on this particular video right here, we're going to be looking into the product research tool, which of course Data have on their platform. So if you look at the top here, you can see we have explore, we have category, we have shop, curator, product, video and ad, and we also have live streaming. So scrolling down, you also have different platforms where we can also explore, and you can see trending products. So these are the things we actually need to look into, but then everything is all on this particular product right here. So, and if you check on this, you can see top product that are actually trending currently on TikTok shops. So you can see these are all the product, and if you scroll down you see different creators, shops, and you can see top video ads and live stream. So and then you can see that is all that, and you also see the revenue that all these products are actually generating for the shops, the creator, and if of course they run ads, you'll be able to see it right there. So without wasting much of the time, so let's get into it. And if you want to sign up on this platform, you can use the link in the description to sign up on Data. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right here is to head up to the product page, and for your information, I'm running a professional account. You can see on the top right here, so you can see this is a professional account, which of course I have access to most of these features that Data have, and I'm going to show you the pricing page before I finish this video. And also Data is available in the United States, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, United Kingdom and Singapore, right? So, and here I'm currently on the product page, and you can see all products. You can see top new products, and you can see top high potential affiliate, and which are of course some product, and you can see sales grow rapidly. So these are product that started picking up, and then you can see top video products. So these are from different creators, which of course their video are actually performing well. So you're going to be checking all of them, and you can see on this top new product, these are newly products that are just added, and you see how they are actually performing. So let's move on to the top new product. So if you want to do product research, I think this particular feature is actually right there for you. So after navigating to the top new products, so you can see these are the new products that are actually trending, and you can see the price of this product is $222, which is quite high product, right? I think this is a perfume or something like that. Yeah, you can see this is a perfume of 60 ml. So set of 6 Musk collection golf orchid perfume 60 ml. So you can see right here, this is an high quality product, which of course if you are trying to promote this product, you'll be able to make much more money. You can see like only 241 products is being sold, and you can see the revenue that this product have generated. You can see over $50,000 this product have already generated. These are the kind of products I also like to promote, because you do less sales and much more less items sold and much more money you're gonna be making, right? So let's say for example you are getting like 20% of these sales. You know how much you'll be making compared to like you selling a product of around $10 or $20 or $30 thereabout. So you can actually compare it with this particular one right here. So we also have another one, which is TV box. So you can see this is the TV box, so it's around $329, and if you're an affiliate on TikTok, so you'll be able to see that these are the kind of products you actually need to sell, right? But then some people, I find it too difficult, because you have to purchase some of this product before you can actually review them or add it to your own shop, which is quite important. But then compare you spending this money and making multiple in sales. If you're able to do the video perfectly and convince people, they're gonna be interested in buying that product, right? So scrolling down, you also see skin cosmetics, age reset. You can see eye balm. So we're gonna be looking into this particular product and we'll see how people are using it, right? So you can see this product is $62, and scrolling down you see another product, which is another super box. So this is a product that you can start selling as fast as possible. You can also see this is another product right here. I think this is a free mascara, tart shape tape concealer stick trail. So this product is $45. You can see right there. So scrolling all the way down, you can see another one, which is aroma concept, brand new. So this is another product, perfume product, which is $30. So this is another product right here. This one is not loading, I don't know. This is another product right here, and you can see we have over 400 pages. The reason why I'm able to see all these pages is because I'm running a professional account on Kelo Data, which is why I'm seeing all these pages, and I can navigate to all these pages like that because there are a lot of products, right? People are launching new product almost every day, so you have to know the kind of product that are good to start selling, right? So you can't just choose any product. So you can see this is another product of that particular one, which is 6 items, I think. So this is 3 sets, so this is 6 sets, right? So it all depends on which one you actually want to promote. But then when it comes to perfume and you know that the perfume is actually nice, you can actually drop ship it, or you can actually sell that product, and then people are going to be buying it from you. Once it's finished, they still come back again and still buy. You understand? So this is like a recurring sales. Compared to me, maybe I'm trying to do some age reset, and if I'm able to achieve it and it's done, I might not patronize that particular product again. So that is there. And this kind of product as well, once I buy it, in few months or few years to come, or else maybe the product actually have issue and maybe I have to change it, or maybe it's spoiled, something like that. But this is not something that I can be buying almost every month, right? So I might not actually promote this particular product right here, right? So there are some other products or many products like that, so you can check on page 2. And sometimes it all depends on your country. So if you navigate to your own country, you'll be able to see top trending, top product that you can actually drop ship within your country, that you can sell within your country. So it's not any product you can actually sell. I don't know why this is not loading. Let me try to reload this page. All right, I don't know why it's not loading, right? So but then you can, I guess you can actually see how you can be able to find or do product research on Kelo Data. So you can navigate to the last page until you'll be able to find new trending or new products on the platform. So the next one we're going to be checking is the high potential affiliate. So this one is the product that we're going to give you high commission on every sales you make. So right here you can see this particular product is giving out 38%, right? 38%. Imagine. So if you sell like if you sell a single product of $23, so you'll be making like I think $8 or $7 or $5 thereabout, right? So this is a good product to sell. This is a good product to sell. The product is actually trending. You can see the chart. It's still going up and down, but then people are still patronizing that product. This is another one right here, which is 30% commission. You can see it right here, and you can see the average unit price, and you can see how much this product have generated and the total item sold in the last 28 days. So if you scroll down, you see another product right here. This is 30%. This is a whopping 50%, right? So if you sell this product right here, you're gonna be getting $12 or $12.5, right? or $12 thereabout. So this is a good product to sell. These are the kind of product I like to sell, from 30% to 50%, because I'm going to be making much more profit at the end of the day, right? So you imagine buying this product for maybe $25 and you're able to do a review about it. So I'm very sure you're going to be making much more money than the exact amount you buy that particular product. So scrolling down again, you see another one of 30%, and the products are not really that cost. You can see from $10 to $15 thereabout. There's another one right here, which is 38% again, right? You can see 38%, 30%, and these products are selling. And if you want to navigate to high commission, you can just come down right here to the commission, then click on this drop down, then it will give you more products. You can see this one 80%, so you can see 80%, you can see 80% right here, you can see 80%. So all this product right here, I don't know if people are gonna be buying it, but then they are also making sales, but not that sale like that. So you can see this one is also 80%, and the price of this product is $7.30, and you can see how much this product have generated. I think this is a pouch, this is an iPhone pouch, right? So you can see the total sales on this product. All right, so that is how all this commission works, and then you'll be able to see right there. So that is how these high potential affiliate features work on the platform. Then the next one we have is sales grow rapidly. These are the one that the sales are actually growing rapidly. So you can see right there, so the sales are actually growing rapidly. So from the number 1 to 3, you can see all this sales, and this sales is within in the last 28 days. So you can see the date I'm recording this video, which is this is the date the product are showing. This is February 8th, and they are showing us this is March 9th, but then I'm recording this video on the 12th of March, which is Wednesday, right? So that's 30 days for 31 days thereabout. But then what I'm trying to let you know is that these are the products that are actually trending and they are growing rapidly, which of course you can also look into them. And another thing I actually want to show you is the high revenue videos. So these are the videos from different creators. I'm going to show you how they looks like. So let me show you this one right here. Oops, the video is not loading. Let me show this one too. Oops, that's bad. So I actually there's one thing I just discovered. So you can see I can download this video without watermark, right? And that is because I'm running a professional account. If you're running a free account, you may not have access to all these features right here. This is another video, you can watch them, see how it's done. So let me try to download one so you can see what I'm talking about. So click on download. So the video is downloading already, so let me download this so you can see the video. That's so fast, right? So the video just downloaded to my PC, so let me click on open. Yeah, so you can see the product that she's trying to promote.
This I've known for years to be this like ancient remedy for stunting hunger, so it's literally being dubbed nature's Ozempic. But the reason this one is so crazy, and I have noticeably noticed a difference, not just in snatchedness, but y'all, cortisol, like my jawline is snatched, my skin is.
So you can see that video right there. So this is the video and this is the product right here, right? So you can see how it works. So you can also use that kind of video to make your own video. You can also export the script of that video and then make it your own, right? So this is another one right here. I don't know why it's not loading, because I don't think I actually need to download the videos, right? So you can see this another weight loss video, I guess. then you can see different video right here. All right, you can see different videos. You can see it's another product, another video from different creators. Right, so and those are the high performing video from different people, right? So yeah, that is how the sales grow rapidly works. So the next one I'm going to be checking out is the top video product. So let's check on that. So most of these products are, you might not see some of them right here on this particular page, and you might actually see some of them right here on this page, right? So you can see this book right here, 2250 powerful remedy at your fingerprint, lost herbal remedies. So these are the high performing video. So if I download that, you're gonna see how that one looks like. And this is they don't put a commission on this, so this 20%, 15%, and you can see this one is still coming down a bit, but this one is going up and down. You can see the metrics. You can see this one is dropping, so it might pick up again. You can see this one as well going up and up and up like that. So you can see the pricing. You can see this one too, not bad. You can see this one too, it's having like something like flat growth. You can see this one dropped. That's a massive drop, right? You can see this another one. This one is actually growing rapidly. You can see this one as well. So these are all the different products that you can actually try to run an affiliate for on TikTok shops, and I'm very sure you'll be able to make money if you do everything the right way, right? If you do everything the right way, you're gonna be making more money. You're gonna make your money back, let me say that, because no matter how much you spend on to buy a product, at the end of the day, you're gonna make your money back on this platform, trust me. So I said I actually want to show you the price of this professional account I'm actually running. So you can see right here, if you go for the monthly plan, you're gonna be paying like $100. You know, it's an investment, so and you're gonna be getting your money back, right? This the starter plan, which is $46, and if you go for the yearly plan, you're gonna be paying almost $84. Then this one $39, and if you are a business owner, you can go for the enterprise, and you can just chat them up, and then they're gonna give you a custom offer, right? So with this professional, you have unlimited access, right? Because I believe these are the basic daily search, which of course you can't even exhaust that in a day, right? So that is all I have for you in this particular video on how to do or the best platform to do product research for TikTok. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I will be happy to reply you out. Thank you.